and Super Flings are here to take your laundry to the next level. Vital Farms farmers do a lot for their hens, like giving them open pastures with lots of fresh air and sunshine. Because
Suwak kita dito, kita. Oo. Tara, tinahinay na kita.
One thing is for sure.
Para kita makagdarang bike. Tinahinay na nila pag-walk. Ano, mag-drink ka ng water. Mapian na kita. Tapos walk na kita nito. Ha? Dito niya, di na paso dito magkot dito. So, dito na kami sa Palm Spring Aerial Tramway. First jump at 8 p.m. Wala nga na morning. Wala nga na morning. Ito ka mo sila, ka mo. Mabay kitang ticket. We do not sell tram ticket here. We purchase at the lower trams. Ay, di na nagbabaliga din eh. Yung ticket ha, makita matik yung ticket. Ayan. Hi. Ticket ito. Kahit na kita di. Para takla yan. Souvenir. Dito ka, wasan na kayo. Kahit na kita souvenir. Yan na yun. This is safe, eh? $25. Ano na ito? It's free, right? Yan o, yun yung ginahagutan. Yun yung ginahagutan eh. Ay, ka ba? We're going to the Palm Spring Mountain!
We're going to Arizona!
Hindi ba nasi yung... Yan o.
This is actually a Honda Accord. Okay. So prepare for takeoff. Things are about to spin out of control. Like off search over the past several months, I've traveled by road and by rail.
40 at saka tayo eh, 140. 1140. 1140. Oh, 1145. 1145. Thank you.
Baka may PSA dito. Ano? Baka may dito. Baka may PSA.
Kano daw? 3.
Alright, stand here for picture, please. Alright, I'm going to smile right here. Alright, here's the car, guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you. It's free?
Nope.
I'll hold that for you. Wala, hindi na kita. Okay, ano yun? Ano yun? Yan mo. Ano? Bukos kita. Ano pag una-una kayo mag-vlog? Sorry. Masih natin yung kulot. Kamu kamu.
Welcome folks, make your way in all the way in, please. Make your way in all the way in. As soon as you have your ring inside, we close the house doors and be on our way.
Okay.
Minor.
Oh, ito ito. Yan, pagtiwalin natin. Ano yung ticket? Bay mo wala ha?
Alright folks, good morning. Welcome to the Talk to Channel. My name is General Tramway operator. So right up, should have you up in about 10 minutes. Bit of information as we do leave the docks. This will be a couple months, so make sure you hold on. Also, that's why we'll start to rotate now. It's going to do 2 full rotations on this trip, so if you're holding on to anything, you make sure you let go unless it's the doors in the middle of the floor. Everything else is going to be stationary, folks, so if you're holding on to the bars and the windows, let go of those as well, or just slide to the left. Again, the bars in the middle of the floor, the only thing that moves the floor, everything else is stationary. We're going to be going over 5 towers, elevation of 8,516 feet. As we go over each tower, it's going to be a bit of a swing versus each one, with the 3rd tower having the most swing. That's maybe the fun one. Everybody enjoys that one. Has the most swing. Maybe even a backflip today. Who knows? We'll find out.
Hey, look at this
All
one.
right, folks. Once again, my name is Edward. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us to it.
Oh, it's your phone.
Ikaw, picture na lang.
Okay, I'll send it to you, okay? I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you later. Wow. Hadbukin natin, baby. You okay? Excuse me. Gusto kita magdala ng tubig. Chill. May signal na rin. 10 minutes later.
15 minutes and it's subject to change. The last tram down tonight's going to be at 9:30 p.m. Again, trams are currently leaving every 15 minutes, and the last tram down is going to be at 9:30 p.m. When we fully dock, I'm going to be opening up both sides of the door from heading in straight ahead. That's going to be the one and only entrance. I do need everybody to go straight in. I cannot have anybody hanging out on the dock. We will be loading the next tram. Once again, folks, my name is Evan. I hope you have a great time at the mountain. I'll be opening those doors shortly.
Diyan, sa kabila. Diyan, dali. Dali, dali. Dali. Yan na. Yan na, picture. Picture. Diyan.
Hurry.
Yan na. Ah, mali. Tram. T-R-A-M. Tram. Hindi man tram. Kutsara po. Malo, di ba kita kita, boss? Masakay pa niyan. Round trip pa natin. Pabalik kita ganyan. Ano, kasi pagbalik. Hindi mapapicture ko din. Ito man may ice. Snow. Ito may snow. Ito may snow. Ano picture na kita din?
Hindi naman pas. Hindi naman.
Hindi nga. Dani ho.
After diya, makagawin tayo na.
Oh, boss. Oo, happy this. Ayaw, sige. Patay sa baba. Dito. Tapos na tayo dito kasi dito na tayo sa taas. Oo. Mahulat ito na.
If nakita kayo, makakayo kita. Oh!
Hindi rito. Ano man picture kita dito? Ito nga, kasin to. Hindi naman, okay man na. Picturean ko dyan. Kaya picture. Kaya yung cellphone. Di kala kayo mountain. Si Daniel, iwan mo na lang yan para hindi ka nagkakadaramo. Nagkakadaramo ka. Picturean mo ako. Isa mo. Kitat plan. Ha? Natipis na ako dito. Puro ka naman paso. Nakatawag ka tapos, no? No?
Kalau natrok semua otak kamu.
Ikaw na't din naka-jacket. Itaat mga pan natin. Muli mo natin ito kasakal, diba? Hindi. Hindi natin siya daw. Maglaba kang anin dyan, ay pagkatat mapasok. Kaya mo dyan, pabalik, saka. Gano ka ha? Kita
Wala ka lang na ako ang mag-inlate, yung mag-disable. Yan, then electric.
May mga balay oh. Bibi, picture kita mama.
Dili kita din nilong anak.
Makatawag dapat pan.
Ano, great training na no?
Oo. Ada ang bis no.
Alam ko, pwede na mo.
Hindi ka papa. Hindi ka papa. Sige na.
Scared ako.
Scared pa.
Bala ko na small.
Kadi.
Kasi kung pum-pum. Nabalik ko na ice.
Ay, di mama. Sorry mama. Mahigda ka. Didi. Mahigda. Mari. Ah, di ata kung kumita.
Adik ka na
Hindi kita maagi dito. Hindi kita maagi dito. Papalindas ka ha. Hala, na-track. Hala. Hala. Hindi tagi. Sige. Palo ni. Sige.
Napait ka, napait.
Bite kung tuloy bite. Ah, tama na. Ha?
Kaya no, dito ulit may daay.
May ice ka pang din. Kaya nag-proceed
Please,
ka
man
din.
din, he? Baka nakakalibok din.
Sige daw. Nakaligo ka? Nakaligo ka? Sige, paghubo. Sige na. Da. Dito na Halo! Adi na kami! Adi kami Palm Spring! Halo!
Ano ba, break wood.
Hi.
Hindi mo wait. Buying 100 and low lang.
So we're here at the Palm Spring at the... Ano pa yung lugar? Palm Spring, sa Palm Spring. Mabalik pa kayo pagsakay tram. Ano, katutay ito or balik na katagbaw? Oops! Ha? May tingnan kita dito. Nag-drive tikat-tikat. Hold ka din, hold ka din. Hold ito din. Oo, pwede ka mag-hold din ito. Bawal ka din mag-hold, hindi ka rin mag-hold.
Captain, folks, welcome back. My name's Evan. I'll be operator for the ride down. Should have you back down in the valley in about 10 minutes. Better information as we do leave the doctor. A couple bucks to make sure you hold on. So that we'll start to rotate. It's going to do 2 full rotations. We're going to be going over 5 towers, seeing what you can move on, except this time every time we go over a tower, it's going to be more of a dipping motion instead of a swimming motion with the second and third tower. It'll be easier. It'll be easier, don't worry. All right, that floor's going to start rotating now.
Ten minutes later.